Hello there. Wondering why you should provide a toll-free number to your customers? The answer is simple and straightforward. Toll-free numbers have undeniable benefits for your target group, your organization, and your management. We show you the unlimited possibilities of toll-free numbers. Let's start with your target group. With a toll-free number, your customers benefit from a faster response from you as calls get directly connected to the right department. A skilled agent will be able to provide the best customer service experience. On top, your global customers will benefit from toll-free numbers too, as they allow you to offer 24/7 availability across all time zones. By routing calls according to the location of the caller, they can be served in their local language. Last but not least, toll-free numbers can be called for free. This is the recipe for higher customer satisfaction. Let's continue with 5 more benefits for your organization. According to research, toll-free numbers are highly appreciated by callers and can increase call traffic up to 15%. You can route these incoming calls directly to the appropriate agents, saving you valuable time from handling wrongly assigned calls. In addition, toll-free numbers are suitable for flexible and ad hoc needs on top of your existing telephone infrastructure, without major changes or investments. You can also increase accessibility outside office hours by routing calls to remote agents or an automated system. And above all, your organizations will benefit from cross and upsell revenue and higher conversion ratios due to improved personal contact. That's why toll-free numbers increase your company's profitability. To finalize, there are also specific benefits for your management. Due to the fact that all calls can be measured, tracked and recorded, managers can identify patterns in incoming call traffic in order to schedule the capacity of agents. By measuring differences in response from different distribution channels or media, you can take corresponding actions. That's why toll-free numbers are a very useful management tool. Let's take a closer look now at when to use toll-free numbers. They are set up for a variety of customer and business needs. Hotline numbers are, for example, widely used for expert support. True specialists will provide the best customer support for purchased products or services. You can also implement marketing numbers for campaigns. Besides encouraging interaction from potential buyers, you will also increase conversion ratios with a solid follow-up. Another need can be for emergency numbers for calamities, such as product recalls or emergency aid. And for less acute situations, service numbers are often used as remote help desk. Customers can check, for example, their order status, get additional information on reservations, or simply get connected to the right employee to get the right answer. That's why toll-free numbers can cover all your business needs. Let's conclude by removing a misperception. Some people think that toll-free phone numbers are outdated. Well, they are by no means, because toll-free numbers are completely state-of-the-art. With all kinds of technical features, you can accommodate your service to demanding callers. Callers can be connected and tracked in more than 100 countries across the world. And with just one universal number, UIFN, you can cover 45 countries at once. Finally, toll-free numbers can also be fully integrated into various digital telephone environments. That's why toll-free numbers can be a very valuable company asset. How to start using toll-free numbers? Simple. Contact Teleforwarding, a customer-driven niche specialist who provides a one-stop shop solution across all lines and countries, and for all your voice-over IP needs. You will get one transparent contract, one invoice in one currency, and one service level agreement from trusted specialists. If you request an offer today, you can already benefit from activated numbers within 48 hours. Teleforwarding, connecting global business to local people.